lot of them are also now cutting their hair shorter. Every year the sponsors, they just want better quality models. So yeah, it's getting difficult, but so far we've been good.
Are you the only one doing this? Or you have other hairstylists?
Well, I have an assistant that's normally here, but she's from the Philippines. But she's, I gave her off today because it's a quiet day today for me, you know. No use to be here when it's quiet. So she'll